Shukra Puja. Lord Shukra or Bhargava Puja is preferably performed on Fridays. Lord Shukra is the son of Bhrigu Rishi. Shukra is an epitome of knowledge of Shastras and scriptures. The position of Lord Shukra in the horoscope of a person determines his or her financial status, prosperity, and prospects in life. Worship of Lord Shukra is believed to result in relief from problems related to Lord Shukra as per one's horoscope, gaining wealth and achieving success in all ventures, and successful and fruitful married life.